Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make ElevenLabs sound better. So first thing that you will do is of course go to elevenlabs.io, and this will be their homepage. Then go to the left side over here and select text to speech. Now from here, just simply provide your text over here. And now the main important thing for this video is select the model type. So from here guys, the best quality that they have is 11 multilingual V2. So it is the most lifelike, emotionally rich mode in 29 languages. So make sure to select this one. And after that guys, as you can see, you could adjust the speed, you could adjust the stability and the similarity as well. So from here, you could also speaker boost it. So make sure that this is turned on. So first I'm going to adjust the stability and reduce the speed a little bit and have a style exaggeration and select generate speech. Adjusting the style exaggeration to 10% and adjusting these will make your voice or output sound better. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.